Thanksgiving. It's around that time of the year again where the leaves are falling, they're turning pretty colors, and I collected a couple leaves, and then there's a harvest festival. You just gotta pick and choose which ones you like. I wish I could go to all of them because they're so much fun. I love festivals. I love when vendors come together and gather and share their arts and crafts and their gifts. So perhaps this is my gift in sharing what I like to go out to venture out, and then when you have someone to do that with, that's even makes it more fun. So anyways, I went to this Harvest Fest that we have locally, and I met some really neat people. They were exhausted. I get it. It's like catering. It can be very exhausting, but it can be very invigorating. It depends on your state of mind and what you like sharing. So I found a vendor who does this pomegranate balsamic vinaigrette, and it's from Sky Lake Ranch Family Orchid. Hey, support our farmers. I mean, and you can find them online, and I can't wait to use this. It's got low sodium. It's only got 160 milligrams for 2 tablespoons, but you could use this on fish. You could use it. I know I sound like a commercial, right? You can use this on fish. I was thinking when I tasted it, I said trout, grilled trout. This would be perfect on grilled trout. That's pomegranates and trout, yeah. And then I even thought about this could be a really, and it's got all the good ingredients in there. It's got all the no fillers or anything. I mean, not really, and it's yummy. So, and I thought this would be a perfect vinaigrette. So, like if you're making a salad and you don't want it, just add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You know, just add this and extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of shallots if you want, and this would be a perfect vinaigrette for your bell peppers. I think bell peppers are a little nice bell peppers. You want to make it a little bit spicier, add a little bit of peppers. Serranos, just a little bit, because those are hot. Anyways, and then I have these beautiful honeys. Now this is where I get my nuts. Love nuts. Oh my God. So I'm gonna be 60, and I think I said that before. I'm gonna be 60, and I said, I can't believe I'm going to be 60. I can't. It's incredible that I'm going to be 60. Anyways, so I have this garlic roasted almonds, and then I have like mint almonds, and then I have like chocolate truffle almonds, and I have some applewood smoked almonds, some truffle almonds, and this is from Queen of the Valley, and or you can find them. Where are my glasses? Need my glasses. You can find them at bhalmondranch.com, and they're your local farmers. I can't wait. These are nice little treats, and you know what? And they were really reasonably priced. I mean, I had a ball there. Then I got this mixed onion soup. Oh my God, I love the Gourmet Friends, and it's gluten-free and made in a home kitchen. I mean, it's got, I like the ingredients in there, and when I tried the, you know, you can put this in sour cream, and you know, when you can put this in sour cream, this would be a great, like, and they were reasonable. I mean, these are homemade things. These are crafts. I mean, there were so many vendors. I mean, I couldn't keep up with all the vendors. Last time I went were a couple of years ago, and there was it was a couple of years ago, and I must have went there back 5 times. I just had a ball. I love, and I had a great time. So in this, I found this smokeandmary.com. My name's Mary, so I kept looking at it, and the couple there, they're so incredible. Their vibrant personality kind of attracted me, and they had like these two not margarita, oops, sorry. The two, if you wanted a Bloody Mary, and all their stuff is from, one was a green Bloody Mary, yum, and they weren't bad price, and the other one was a regular red margarita, and I mean, Bloody Mary. I have margarita on my, I think I want a margarita, but I love, you know, after I had a long walk with a group, Lister Sisters Hiking Club. I went with them on this 9-mile walk. No, it was before. Okay, I don't know how many miles it was this time, but it was like 6 miles. It was, and so we went. I was so exhausted. I had a Bloody Mary, and it was good, and it actually went right into my system, and I felt, you know, it felt good. And then, but it felt like I had put some nutrients back in my body because I was like really tired. So anyways, but they're really good, and I just wanted to give them a little, you know, shout out to Smokin' Mary. Yeah. So anyways, oh, and the honeys, that came from, they're out of Chico, and I got orange blossom, blackberry, and alfalfa honey. So, anyways, I thought it was really cool, this event. I like going there. I like having fun. I like getting the things that, you know, when they start making you feel guilty, you don't get their stuff, then I just kind of like, oh God, you just bummed me out. So, and I just kind of walk away. I ain't doing that, but, and sometimes if I really, really want it, I'll get it. But, you know, there's a little bit of competition, but it's not. You get what you want, and you get what is good for you. This Queen of the Valley, she is definitely Queen of the Valley, because these nuts were, I'm not kidding you, and I'm not just trying to sell you, but I thought these would be good, like if you have a Christmas party, you should, you know, Christmas party, you can put these out on the table and be a nice little appetizer, and plus they're healthy. I was like falling in love with their nuts. I had to pull my friend over there. Don't get these nuts, get these nuts. And I kept saying, oh, I like your nuts. But they're not nuts, they're almonds. So I call them nuts. Okay, so, you know, Christmas is coming. I mean, Thanksgiving is coming up, or Christmas. And so, you know, and if it's just yourself, and you just want to have a nice pot just for yourself, then, you know, go ahead and do that. I mean, you could just make anything. And what I have here, I'm going to pull it out because I already started it, is my some turkey legs, and then I put a little bit of bacon in there, a little bit of bacon in there, and then so I have some, like from the co-op store, I asked them for some bacon ends. I said, do you have any bacon ends that you want to sell me? So, and they sell them to me for a really good price, but they're so good. Oh my God, these bacon ends are really good. So I just chopped them up, put them in there, and then I'm going to put like onions, bell peppers, and some carrots in here, and then I'm going to put some frijoles, and I've soaked these, I've washed these, and I've soaked them overnight, and I'm just going to toss that in there, and then I just add some water, or some stock, whatever you want, and I've done frijoles before, so these would be considered frijoles de loya, so, and then you just want to, it's like 4-to-1, so on the frijoles you could use whatever, you could use cranberry, beans, you could use the frijoles de Peru, which is Peruvian beans. You could use kidney beans, black beans, whatever kind of bean you like. But I like my frijoles, and this kind of gives you a nice sabor. If you want to add some canned tomatoes in there, you can, like the peeled, roasted. I would get the peeled, roasted. And then you just add your spices. I usually, and then I'm going to probably put a couple bay leaves because my friend introduced me to bay leaves. Thank you. So, so I'm just going to cover it up and let it cook. And if you got a busy schedule, this is good to have. So, that'll be yummy for, you know, me and whoever happens to stop by if they want to come and see me. I'll have some, at least some frijoles, and I can whip up some flour tortillas or some chips. I have it's a real economical meal, and it's delicious and it's yummy, and yeah. So, okay. Hopefully you have a slow cooker. You should have some good deals right now. All right, I'll talk to you later. You have a good one. Bye.